Hey Gemini, welcome back. My name is Kit and I'm here to do your reading for September 2020, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. We're going to cleanse these cards. I've been doing readings most of the day, so I want to make sure that we clear the energy off these cards and start fresh with yours. So hold on one sec and we'll be ready to go. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Let's see what's going on, Gemini. Let's check your overall energy for the month of September 2020. Holy Spirit, what can you tell me for the overall energy for Gemini, September 2020, please? What is the overall energy for Gemini, September 2020? One card, please, Spirit. Okay, Gemini, you got the card of truth. Truth and expression. Underneath the deck, apology and forgiveness. All right, let's see where that's going here. Okay. Holy Spirit, angel spirits and guides, what information does Gemini need to know for the month of September 2020, please? What does Gemini need to know? Thank you. What does Gemini need to know, please, spirits? 2 more cards, please. Thank you. What does Gemini need to know? September 2020. We got a flipper. Thank you. Okay, Gemini. We have the Page of Coins. Oh, we have an extra one here. The Knight of Wands, the Queen of Wands, Judgment, and I'm going to take it. We have the 3 of Cups. Underneath the deck, we have the 7 of Wands. All right, Gemini, let's see where this is going. I feel like you have someone in your life who came in and offered you a stable life, stay with me, we'll get through this together, we'll do this on, as a team. But I have a feeling, I'm getting the feeling that that wasn't the case. I have a feeling that this person, and I'm not really seeing that it was like a third party or anything just yet, but I am seeing that this person kind of kept himself busy doing other things, maybe going out, having a good time with friends, video games. It could be anything. Work, it doesn't necessarily mean another person, but I feel like he or she, no gender in tarot, remember that is just the energy. I feel like this person does care, but I think you wanted more, or vice versa. I think it's more of somebody wants to be more serious than the other, and somebody's afraid to say, hey, this is what I want, and they don't want to express themselves that way. They don't want to either maybe damage the relationship if that's not what the person wants to hear, or whatever. Let me pull some more cards. We'll clarify these. Okay. First, we're going to go with the Page of Coins, which is the Page of Pentacles. Spirit, why is the Page of Coins here, please? Why is the Page of Coins here, please, for this reading for Gemini 2020? Why is the Page of Coins here? Clarify the Page of Coins, please, for Gemini. Thank you. The Five of Wands. Yeah, I think someone's afraid to open up and speak, that maybe they're not as serious as the other person is. Because I think they really do care. Maybe they like to take things slower. All right, let's see. Why is the Knight of Wands here, please? Please clarify the Knight of Wands. Please clarify the Knight of Wands for Gemini, please. September 2020. Why is the Knight of Wands here, please? Please clarify the Knight of Wands. One card, please. Why is the Knight of Wands here? There we go. The Eight of Pentacles. Yes, someone isn't working as hard on the relationship as the other person. Now we have the Queen of Wands. And I feel this is you, Gemini, the Queen of Wands. Why is the Queen of Wands here, please, Gemini? Thank you. The Knight of Swords. Yeah. One of you wants to move quicker in the relationship, wants to rush in and move quicker in this relationship. It's not going quick enough for one of you. Why is the Judgment card here? Thank you. All right, Ten of Cups. Yeah, one of you thinks that you know, this is the catch-all, you know, and have total happiness. Maybe you want you or the other person is thinking this is family material, this is husband-wife material. And why is the Three of Cups here? Thank you. The Five of Pentacles. Yeah. Okay. Let me get one more for the Five of Pentacles, please. Can I get one more card, please, for the Five of Pentacles? One more card, please. Thank you. The Hanged Man. Yeah. One of you is actually, you know, is really into this relationship, really want to move forward, wants to move quickly. The other person taking a little bit more time. But I think you're both afraid to say anything to one another and to express how you feel in fear of either scaring the other person or perhaps, you know, like chasing them away, or maybe they don't want, whoever wants to share that they're not ready yet to move super fast forward is afraid of hurting the other person, even though they do care and there is an attraction here and there's definitely, you know, they see something here, but they're not ready to move as quick as the other person. So let's pull a Moonology card for advice. Spirit, what advice do you have for Gemini for the month of September 2020, please? What advice do you have for Gemini for September 2020? A new start is coming. Okay, Gemini. I'm going to pull one more. A time to give rather than take. Okay, from what I'm seeing here, it's if you should speak your mind. If this is you who's afraid to speak your mind, holding back from speaking how you feel, I think you really should open up and share. If you do, you may find that the other person, or vice versa, if the other person should speak up, they may find that you can come to a compromise and start anew with a compromise. We'll pull one more. This is from the Heart and Soul. Spirit, what can you tell Gemini for the month of September 2020? What does Gemini need to know? What does Gemini need to know, please? Okay. You're afraid to let go of something that is no longer working for you. There is a deep sense of duty or guilt, and you feel like you don't have a choice. The reality is that you do, and ultimately doing what you know feels right in your heart will be best for all concerned. Exactly. I think you have to let go of the fear of not speaking your mind and opening up and expressing yourself, because if you do, I really feel that things can definitely go your way. All right, Gemini, I hope you liked the reading. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, please do so. Enjoy your September, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.